When it comes to configuring sublimation as a decoration process in DecoNetwork, the first thing you want to do is set the general settings. What's the name, abbreviation? What's the minimum? What type of artwork are we going to accept? Sublimation is a very simple digital printing process, and most of these settings in the general, in the production, in the designer, the color palette, artwork, pretty much everything is going to be set. You can easily override it, but odds are you don't need to. The main thing you're going to need to do for sublimation is configure the price tables. Now, when it comes to sublimation, you can be doing hard goods, you can be doing soft goods. There's a wide range. So what you might find yourself doing is making a couple different tables. Hey, this is the table for drinkware. This is the table for apparel. So when you do that, typically you're not looking at the color of the shirt. Sublimation only goes on white. I can't sublimate a black shirt or a black hard good mug, technically. It always needs to start on a white product. So we're going to typically use this standard printing. I could be looking at the size of the artwork, but what I probably would do is say, okay, this is for sublimation drinkware. I don't care about the color type because it has to be white. And maybe I have a discount for a second area. So on one side of the drinkware, I charge 8. For the second side, I charge 6, for example. So I can create a price table like this. But then maybe I also sublimate other products. So we'll do sublimation plaques. So a plaque is going to be a larger print. And I'm just going to come up with a standard price for plaques, puzzles, things like this. Do know that the name of the price table is all internal. So plaques plus puzzles plus other hard goods. Anything that's not drinkware, essentially. And I'm lumping them all together into one price here. So do know a decoration process like sublimation, it's more common to maybe make a couple different tables. And then when I go into products, just know that I could select a product group. So maybe for product groups, I want to go into drinkware. And for the drinkware product group, I'm going to assign the sublimation drinkware price table. But then I might have another product group for something like accessories. Maybe this is where I put the plaques and the puzzles and things. And when I'm using a product that's in the product group accessories and it's sublimatable, I don't want to use the drinkware price table by default. I want to use this one. So do know that sublimation is one of those decoration processes. You might make a couple different price tables and then actually assign them to product groups so that products in that group are automatically pricing the way you want them to.